Oh God, I can't.
With the 127th pick in the 2024 NFL Draft, the Philadelphia Eagles select running back Will Shipley.
No, not the right Clemson player.
Wrong Clemson.
Oh, come on, Howie.
Wrong Clemson player.
If you were going to get a running back, you just missed out on Bucky Irving. I would have much rather have him or Audric Estime, who is still there. That was a disappointing pick.
Will Shipley to the Philadelphia Eagles.
Talking about weird shit.
I'm not the biggest fan of him. He's definitely a modern NFL type of running back. Dynamic playmaker. He shows really good ability to catch passes out of the backfield. Really, his tape is really impressive at times. He had 210 carries for over 1,100 yards and 15 touchdowns. And when you look at 2023, it wasn't the breakout we all expected from him. He's a big name. The tape shows a jack of all trades, master of none type of running back. He can rush with a little bit of power. He's not an elite burner, but yeah, catching the ball, catching the ball is kind of his forte. He can return kicks at a really high level. I don't know if he's going to be an every down back. Injuries have really hurt the 2023 season for him, and he really struggled to be 100% healthy the rest of the season. He sat out the bowl game with a knee injury that did not require surgery. He's 5'11", 210 pounds. Doesn't quite have the mass and physicality that you're looking for that some of the other guys have, like Trey Benson. But he compensates that with really good explosiveness, speed, foot quickness. But yeah, him being a versatile pass catcher who can run routes from multiple alignments, that is kind of the bread and butter of what Will Shipley is all about. Any thoughts?
Listen, this wasn't, this certainly wasn't the running back I would have selected. Granted, I would have not selected a running back. You still have not selected a wide receiver or a tight end, which is a much, much, much bigger need. And again, I think the value that you just went after here is not good. This, I gotta say, like, listen, I get the, the pick from yesterday about Jalix Hunt. Not many people knew about him, and I think with all the people that were on the board, it seemed to be a little worse. And I think this is just so confusing. It's just why. Yeah, Bucky Irving and Jalen Wright just went up.
He was drafted previous. Well, they did. To be fair, they did trade back several times.
Seven.
So they could have had him probably. I don't remember. Eagles don't value linebackers. They're not getting a linebacker. The Eagles do pick again here in like 5 picks.
Oh, so Jalen Wright did go to the Miami Dolphins at 120, which was our original pick.
Yes, and I would have preferred.
Yeah,
I would have much preferred Jalen Wright.
Yes, a billion times. Yes.